Why don't spices ever get lost? Because they always have cloves. Speaking of cloves, today we're diving into the amazing benefits of clove oil mixed with Vaseline. This potent pair is more than meets the eye, offering a plethora of health benefits that go beyond the surface. Imagine a concoction that not only moisturizes your skin, but also packs a punch with its antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. Intriguing, isn't it? In this video, we're going to explore the wonders of clove oil, the soothing powers of Vaseline, and the remarkable synergy when these two come together. From skincare to pain relief, from boosting your immune system to improving your digestion, this dynamic duo has got it all. So buckle up because we're about to embark on a fascinating journey to discover the magic of this incredible combination. Stay tuned to unravel the magic of this incredible combination. Did you know that the tiny clove has a powerhouse of benefits hidden within its oil? That's right, the humble clove, a spice that has been adding flavor to our meals for centuries, holds a secret within its oil that can do wonders. First off, let's talk about clove oil's antiseptic properties. It's a natural germ fighter, making it a great ally in the battle against bacteria, viruses, and fungi. So, when you're dealing with minor cuts, scrapes, or burns, a dab of clove oil can help fend off infection. Next, we have its anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is the body's response to injury or illness, and while it's necessary for healing, too much of it can lead to pain and discomfort. Clove oil, with its potent anti-inflammatory compounds, can help soothe inflamed areas, reducing pain and promoting healing. Whether it's a toothache, a sore muscle, or an inflamed acne spot, clove oil can provide some much-needed relief. Last but not least, clove oil is a powerful antioxidant. Antioxidants are vital in protecting our cells from damage caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that can wreak havoc on our bodies. By applying clove oil, you're giving your skin a dose of protective antioxidants that can help keep it healthy and youthful looking. But let's not forget about clove oil's other benefits. It can help improve digestion, boost the immune system, and even stimulate blood circulation. With its warm, spicy aroma, it also has aromatherapy benefits, helping to reduce stress and promote relaxation. The power of clove oil extends far beyond what we've discussed today. This tiny spice holds a wealth of benefits that can contribute to our overall health and well-being. And while it's potent on its own, when combined with another common household item, it becomes even more effective. But the magic doesn't stop here. Let's take it up a notch with Vaseline. Stay tuned to discover how these two seemingly ordinary items can work together to create a powerful health-boosting duo. It's time to unlock the full potential of clove oil. Most of us know Vaseline as a skin moisturizer, but it's so much more than that. This humble product that you likely have in your home right now is a multitasking marvel with a plethora of uses and benefits that extend far beyond simple skin hydration. Vaseline, or petroleum jelly, has been a staple in homes around the world for well over a century, but why? What makes this seemingly ordinary product so extraordinary? Its magic lies in its ability to lock in moisture, creating a barrier that helps skin heal and protect itself from environmental factors. It's a champion in the world of skincare, offering relief from a range of conditions from dry, chapped skin to minor burns and scrapes. But the wonders of Vaseline don't stop at skin healing and protection. Have you ever thought about using it as a makeup remover? Its gentle, non-irritating formula makes it a fantastic option for removing stubborn mascara and eyeliner. Or, how about as a lip balm? It's a lifesaver during those harsh winter months when lips can become painfully dry and chapped. And let's not forget about its applications beyond the realm of personal care. From polishing leather shoes to preventing car batteries from corroding, this versatile product steps up to the plate in some unexpected ways. But here's an interesting tidbit. Did you know that Vaseline can also be used to enhance the benefits of essential oils? Yes, indeed. It acts as a carrier, helping to increase the absorption of these oils into the skin. This is where the power of clove oil comes into play. When combined with Vaseline, the potential benefits are amplified, making this duo a force to be reckoned with. So, the next time you reach for that little tub of Vaseline, remember you're not just holding a moisturizer. You're holding a versatile, multi-purpose product that's ready to help you tackle a myriad of challenges. Now imagine the wonders these two can do when combined. Let's explore. When clove oil meets Vaseline, it's a match made in health heaven. Now what do we mean by that? Well, just imagine two superheroes teaming up to fight the villains of dry skin, pain, and inflammation. That's the kind of dynamic duo we're talking about here. Clove oil, with its high antioxidant content and anti-inflammatory properties, is already a force to be reckoned with. It's like a mighty warrior in the world of natural remedies, ready to battle various health concerns. On the other hand, Vaseline, known for its superior moisturizing abilities, acts as the perfect sidekick, enhancing the power of clove oil and making it even more effective. When these two are combined, they create a powerful blend that helps to combat a host of skin problems. For instance, if you've been struggling with stubborn acne, this duo can be your savior. The antibacterial properties of clove oil can help to kill the bacteria that cause acne, while Vaseline locks in moisture, preventing your skin from drying out and triggering more oil production, which can exacerbate acne. Or perhaps you're dealing with muscle pain or joint inflammation. This is where the clove oil's analgesic properties come into play. When mixed with Vaseline and applied topically, it can help to relieve pain and inflammation. It's like your very own DIY pain relief balm. But the benefits don't stop there. This dynamic duo is also fantastic for your lips. If you often suffer from chapped lips, especially during the winter months, a little clove oil mixed with Vaseline can do wonders. The Vaseline works to protect your lips from harsh weather conditions, while the clove oil helps to heal any cracks and leave your lips feeling soft and smooth. And for those of you who suffer from occasional minor cuts and scrapes, this combination can be a great addition to your first aid kit. Applying a small amount of this blend on the wounded area can help speed up the healing process. The clove oil acts as a natural antiseptic, preventing infection, while the Vaseline creates a protective barrier, shielding the wound from external irritants. The best part about this dynamic duo is that it's so easy to prepare. All you need is a jar of Vaseline and some clove oil. Mix a few drops of clove oil with a spoonful of Vaseline, and voila, you've got yourself a homemade remedy that's versatile, effective, and all natural. Think about it. Isn't it amazing how two simple ingredients that you probably already have in your home can do so much for your health and well-being? As you can see, this duo is a game changer, but don't take my word for it. Try it out for yourself and experience the magic of this dynamic duo. The best way to understand the benefits of clove oil with Vaseline is to experience them firsthand. So, why not give it a whirl? It's as easy as pie. Begin by procuring a small jar of Vaseline and a bottle of quality clove oil. Combine a dollop of Vaseline with 2 to 3 drops of clove oil. Stir it up, and voila, your own homemade soothing balm is ready. Apply this mixture to areas of your skin that need a little love. Perhaps your hands are chapped from the cold, or your heels are feeling the brunt of a long day. The clove oil's healing properties coupled with Vaseline's moisturizing prowess will work wonders. You'll feel the difference almost immediately, and remember, consistency is key. Regular application will yield the best results. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. As we close today's segment, we hope you've discovered something new and beneficial. We've journeyed through the spice markets of the world to the common household jar of Vaseline, exploring how these two unlikely companions, clove oil and Vaseline, can make a significant difference in our lives. We've learned about the potent properties of clove oil, from its powerful anti-inflammatory and antiseptic qualities, to its potential to ease toothaches and improve skin health. We've also delved into the versatile world of Vaseline, a product that is much more than just a skin moisturizer. Together, this dynamic duo can offer a multitude of benefits that can be easily integrated into our daily routines. We encourage you to share your experiences and thoughts on this combination. Have you tried it? What were the results? Your insights might just help someone else on their journey to better health. Don't forget to subscribe and like our channel for more content like this. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.